Bitcoin had one last dip right here into the support, actually a very important macro support level, and we are going to have a look at that. Is this bounce in Bitcoin still in play right here? What is the most important resistance, and what are the bigger formations that we are actually seeing in the Bitcoin chart? And guys, we are going to have a look at some different metrics as well. We are going to have a look at this. This is 10-cent charts where we actually can see orders being placed right here on the chart. And this was quite interesting because yesterday it showed us that there was a lot of liquidity exactly at the level right here. So this is a tool we can be using more in the future as well to predict certain liquidity taps in the price. Then we are going to have a look at the funding rate as well. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen and let's dive into Bitcoin. Before we are zooming into the Bitcoin price, make sure guys to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. As you may can hear my voice, I'm still not completely better, but I'm already doing a little bit better than yesterday. But anyway, guys, I don't want to leave you guys alone right here. So yeah, today we have another short update. And what I've actually been seeing, guys, which is very interesting in the larger time frame right here, is that if you connect these lows right here, we have actually a descending support. And we can make either a channel out of that where we have a descending resistance as well. But actually within that channel, there is a declining resistance which is converging, which basically could potentially mean that we are trading right here in a falling wedge formation. We had a fake out right there, but eventually you can see that this, is been following quite accurately right here. So that could mean couple of things. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin's correction is over, of course. That still could mean that we can continue to follow this pattern right here and even see lower levels in the not so distant future. However, in generally, if we can see a nice reaction, a break from the resistance, then that is a bullish sign, and the target of a falling wedge formation would be at the top of the wedge, which in this case would be $68,000. This is just a pattern that I've been seeing. But I think it's right now more important for Bitcoin to first look into the short-term time frames and to reclaim some levels. So first of all, guys, why did we got yesterday another tap down into the liquidity, and we had a quick reversal, a quick bounce actually from that level? I want to have a look at that because there are multiple ways how we could see this actually, and how you can use that also for your trading. Or how you can stay calm, for example, when you see something happening like that. First of all, let me point out that that low right here is exactly the low what we have seen right here. So we got a low right there, which was the bottom of this formation, that piece of price action. And yesterday we actually tapped exactly that same level. And if we zoom in, and this is actually the interesting part, if we zoom in right here on the price action on the 1 hour time frame, then you can see that we have a uptrending support in the relative strength index right here. We got a uptrending support, and what we saw yesterday is that the price broke the support right here. We got increase in volume, and that is trapping a lot of traders, because a lot of traders would think like, okay, we have a breakout and we are going to see lower levels. However, we even saw the uptrend of the RSI being broken, but we didn't saw that close below that level. So eventually in the last 15 minutes of that hour candle, we still got back up, and we didn't got that close below this uptrending support, which invalidated the breakout. So that's also a extra confirmation that we can use often, is a breakout in the support of the relative strength index. Another sign that you could use was 10-cent charts. I have looked at this chart yesterday, and you can see that there were a lot of buy orders around these levels, slightly below $40,000, and that is also reason we can see it right here. When there's a yellow, there's a lot of buy orders, and most of the time that is can create a bounce right here when that buy wall is strong enough. Also next to that, we got negative funding rates with that breakdown. And that should be a warning signal for every shorter out there, because when you are shorting a breakout with negative funding rates, there is a higher probability that that breakout to the downside will eventually result in a fake out, which we just have seen right here. But yeah, if we zoom in right now on Bitcoin, we can see that we had a nice reaction. So we didn't got that hourly close below, we just got a quick wick. This is actually basically the reaction which the bulls want to see to defend this level, but we are still trading below the resistance. The resistance is at 42,600 roughly, 42,600, 42,700. That is the next level to watch. If we can break that level decisively, we got the middle of the descending channel right here coming in at approximately 45,000 US dollars. But more importantly is going to be this level, 45,700. If we can break decisively above 45,700, we definitely can see a nice rally in the Bitcoin price. Maybe even to the resistance right here at 50k. And if we break 50k, the next level to watch is 52,000. This is all for the bullish scenario, right, guys? But still, it is possible that we could see a bounce in the Bitcoin price right here, and that we eventually still going to test these lows, still going to test this descending support of this potential falling wedge formation. So guys, that is just something to take in mind right here, that it's still possible that Bitcoin is going to set new lows and providing us with a buying opportunity. However, when we have a look at the shorter term time frame, immediate term time frame right here, I personally think, like I said yesterday as well, it's more likely for Bitcoin right here to bounce up, and I think to at least test the resistance right here at 45.7k. If we can break above 42,006 or 42,700. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we also can see that the momentum is coming up right here. On multiple momentum indicators, we have it right here on Orion's belt. We got the relative strength index, MACD is coming up, while the price has been consolidating sideways. That could be a nice background information showing us that there could be some bullish momentum in a move right here if Bitcoin can break that resistance of 42.6k. Of course, we also have negative funding rates, which means that the majority right now is still trying to short Bitcoin. At least the majority of the positions out there are shorters, and that can also create a short squeeze, which eventually creates a buying pressure on Bitcoin to see higher levels. Guys, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, trading this bounce, or accumulating Bitcoin when we are even seeing lower levels, or accumulating long positions, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video. And right now there's a limited time left to claim a major bonus over on Bybit. You can get a bonus of 4,100 US dollars and a 10% discount on your fees. That is a 3.5% deposit bonus, so that will be credited to your account after you deposit a certain amount. Then on the Femex platform, you can get a 1,200 US dollar bonus, and on the Prime XPT platform, you can get a 25% discount on your fees. If you want to know how these platforms are working, I've made multiple tutorials on that over on my channel. You can find them on my YouTube channel page. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find the affiliate links to these platforms down below in the video description. Then guys, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If so, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. That is very much appreciated, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.